Hi everyone, welcome to another Cabinet Vision Guy tech tip. In this quick episode, we're going to take a look at how we can use the section editor to relate interior sections to face sections. And what I mean by this is we might want to place a partition or a fixed shelf exactly where we're splitting the face into maybe two doors or two drawers. So I'm going to start off by taking my example assembly through to section view. I'm going to make sure that I've got a section face enabled, and I'm going to start off splitting up my face of the assembly. So I'm going to go with 3 doors to start with, and then on the left hand side I'm going to split this one down again, and I'm going to change this to being a door, and then I'm going to choose equalize height for these two. And what I'd like to do is I'd like to place a couple of double partitions behind each sort of split for the doors, and then I'd like to place a fixed shelf in here as well. So now if I go to section interior, what we should see is we've got some little dotted lines that represent the sections in the face. So what I need to do is I need to start off going to vertical split, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to roughly click on each line, and as you'll see, what happens is the partition is now related to that section split. Now I've got different options, so I'm just going to change this to being a double partition for a second, but the position I can set to be default at the moment, which it is, but I can choose to reposition this on the left, reposition this on the right, pick the center, which is what I'm going to use, or I can choose to float this position or change it back to default. If we go to section face and I change the size of my door now to say 460, what you should see is the partition behind it now moves along with the change with the face. So it's a really quick, really easy way of getting some powerful intelligence into the interior components to make sure that when we're resectioning the face of the assembly, everything is going to stay where we expect it. So the next one I'm going to do is I'm going to choose vertical split again, and I'm going to pick my dotted line on this side. I'm going to select and choose a double partition. And then I'm going to pick, for the next one, a horizontal split and choose this dotted line. And I'm going to change this one to being a shelf. And for this relative position, because we're working with a horizontal, we've got the option of setting the relative position to the top, to the bottom. We can float this, we can go to center position, or we can change to default. Again, if we move this around and manipulate the size, so I'll just turn off equal heights. All our interior sectioning stays where it should be and is related to the face sectioning that we've applied. Hopefully you found this tech tip useful. Feel free to give us a like, share and subscribe. We're also on Facebook, that's facebook.com/thecabinetvisionguy, and Instagram too, that's instagram.com/thecabinetvisionguy. Cheers!